Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to answer calls on Redmi A5. So when you receive a call on your Redmi A5, like the call I received now, if you want to answer the call, you have just to click on the green icon to answer that call. And if you want to reject it, you have just to click on that red phone icon and you will reject that phone call. It's easy like that. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video. And until the next video, see you again.